I just wanted to share with you guys today about this amazing new brand that I've just discovered and my favorite product that they have within the line. So it's called Reform Beauty, and it's all about clean, natural ingredients, none of the junk that's in a lot of our other hair care products. So with the Wave Spray, it's actually a really lightweight texture spray. It's non-aerosol, so you can use it a couple of different ways. I actually this morning sprayed it at my roots and then blow dried my hair, and it just gave me some really nice body up there and a little bit of volume, which is not something that I get naturally. My hair is very stick straight and it's very fine, so a lot of stuff can make it really greasy, very quickly. This is also something that you can go through and refresh your curls the second day. You can wake up in the morning and just kind of mist it in and scrunch it in, and it kind of helps revive all of those curls and all of that texture, all while providing heat protection, UV protection, and it's keratin treatment safe, which I think is really nice as well.